welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an upcoming estate called Fair Valley Heights in Athiriver. So I'm just from viewing the houses and I love them, and I have of course done a house tour video for you guys for the show house because the apartments are not ready, though some of them are already sold out. Some units for phase 1 are already sold out because it's a very cool place. So I'm gonna show you guys all about it and share all the information about those houses in this video. So if you have not subscribed, kindly do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and let's get straight into it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
That's the way to Kitengela. This is the way to Machakos. This is the place, Fair Valley Heights, Nairobi. So the construction is still ongoing, but there is a show house ready that I'm gonna show you guys. This is the plan. These are the townhouses. You can see there is a pool over there, and that building over there is will be having a theater and a clubhouse. So these are the townhouses going for 8 million, and over here we have the apartments, the 2-3 bedrooms, and over here commercial houses and 1 bedrooms. It's quite beautiful. I love the fact that there is this green spaces and the trees. It's beautiful. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The interior is so beautiful, so beautiful. So it's an open kitchen plan. So this part is the kitchen. Dining area over here, the dining space rather. This is the space for the sitting room. For a 2-bedroom, I think this is quite good. And the interior is amazing. What do you guys think? And then when you come here, there is a small balcony. So yeah, there's a small balcony over there, and this is the view from this area. So 1 bedroom is here, another bedroom is here, and this is the shared toilet. So this is the bigger bedroom according to them. So again, the interior is breathtaking. I love it. Look at that bed, so beautiful. And there's a side bed over here. The only disadvantage is that the wardrobe is quite small. This is quite small, but that's how it looks like. So it has 2 sliding doors. Yeah. So here you have this, and you have a big window. This is the toilet and bathroom. And this is the other bedroom. As I told you guys, the only disappointing thing is the storage space. The wardrobe is quite small, but for the price it's only the 2-bedroom show house that is ready, so that's all I could show you guys. There's also a washing area, and it's big enough to put a washing machine. And these are the prices. So the 2-bedroom that I've shown you is 3.2 million. So you need a commitment of 300,000 shillings, Kenyan shillings, a deposit of 900,000, and the monthly you can be paying 50,000 shillings for the 2-bedroom. And for the other bedrooms, you guys can see 1 bedroom is 1.9, 3-bedroom is 4.1, 4-bedroom is 8 million. So guys, this is the plan for the whole estate. It is beautiful. Look at how beautiful this looks. I love the fact that there are trees. So at the outermost part here at the corner, we have the 4-bedroom villas, the townhouses, which go for 8 million shillings, and you can see they have tanks at the top of the house. Same as for the apartments. The apartments are 8 stories, and on top there are the tanks and the places where people will be hanging clothes, and also there is lifts to access the apartment, so there will be lifts as well. And then there's a swimming pool, there's a clubhouse with a theater, and then there is enough parking space. I love the trees and the green sceneries. It will be a beautiful estate. The show house is what I've shown you guys. The rest of the construction is ongoing. The apartments and the property is just after citam at the River Charter School. It's just a walking distance from citam. Yeah, and also there is a supermarket over here, a swimming pool, a gym. This is actually a place we've come. It's called Galaxy Inn at the river. There's a pool, there is a hotel, a gym, yeah, all that. So the houses are near those cool amenities, as you can see, and it's just near the road. Like, we are almost at the highway, Mombasa road. It's just near, 1 kilometer from the highway. So guys, in case you need to purchase property, either 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, or a 4 bedroom, I thought I would share this apartment, this property, because their payment plans or very good. So the fact that you can pay monthly after paying a deposit, you know, for example, for the 2-bedroom that I've shown you guys that goes for 3.2 million, you can be able to make monthly payments of 50,000 shillings after paying a deposit of 900,000, and I think that's a very good payment plan. So in case you need any of this, and you can see for the 2-bedroom, if you were to buy and rent it out, the expected monthly return is at least 23,000 per month, which is good considering the location. And yeah, in case you need any of this, here are the details. I will leave a contact number at the description box and their website as well for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.